stocks kick off the week with some small gains. Alcoa kicking off the earnings season with a report that was better than Wall Street had estimated. Courtney Donohoe's at the New York Stock Exchange with a look at today's markets. Courtney, give us a breakdown and also that Alcoa report.
Well, first, that Alcoa report. It's the moment lots of people have been waiting for, a second quarter earnings season with its traditional start Alcoa. And it's a big barometer of our economy. And earnings and sales coming in better than expected. EPS beating by 2 cents at 13 cents a share. Sales coming in at $5.2 billion. Now, higher metals prices, that's the reason. But lots of investors, they're focused more on the outlook. And Alcoa did boost its aluminum consumption forecast from 10% to 12% for the year. And the stock is higher in the after hours. But some analysts are saying that the company's earnings won't fully recover to pre-crisis levels until after 2012. In the 18 months before the stock market tumbled, Alcoa's earnings came in on average 62 cents a share, so we're still way off.
Now, Courtney, what are the expectations for this earnings season? I mean, everyone's looking for the quarter. What are they looking for?
Well, we had a few economic reports recently that brought up a lot of concerns about this recovery, that economic conditions are softening here in the U.S., and we can't forget about all the debt concerns that are happening out of Europe that came to a head this past quarter. So most investors, most traders, they're focused on the outlooks, as I just said, for the second half of the year and 2011. And they want to see if companies are seeing a slowdown in growth because of all these factors. Now, analysts, they've been readjusting their forecasts recently, but the question is, have analysts been getting ahead of the curve fast enough? And we'll see as we move through earnings and focus on those guidance numbers.
Now, Courtney, ahead of Alcoa's earnings, what happened in trading today? I mean, there was a whole trading day before they came out.
Exactly, but stocks pretty much stayed unchanged through most of the session. We got a little bit of a pop at the end of the day. But it seems investors held off on those big moves. They're in this wait-and-see mode before the kickoff of earnings season. So not much reaction in the market as a whole, even with all the deal news announced this morning. Aon said it would buy human resources company Hewitt Associates for almost $5 billion. Avon buying jewelry company still padded designs. Plus, as you just said, news out of Playboy that Hef is taking the adult entertainment company private. But tech stocks, they did get a pop today. Few analyst upgrades in that group giving them a lift. We got ones in Microsoft, Yahoo, SanDisk. They all got upgrades today.
Thank you very much. Courtney Donohoe reporting from the New York Stock Exchange about today's market action.